Hey guys, welcome back to Lumala, Sri Lanka's #1 bicycle manufacturer with 50-year history. Before going to the video, please subscribe the channel. Alright, let's talk about this. It's sleek, it's powerful, it got some tricks up its sleeve. This is Lumala Mammoth electric moped. In this review, we are diving into everything: the design, performance, electric features, and what makes it a standard choice for modern commuters. Let's get into it. First up, the design. The Lumala Mammoth is all about durability and style. It's lightweight aluminum, meaning it's rust resistant, sturdy, and doesn't weigh you down. It also comes with front suspension, so throttles and puppy roll, no problem. It's keep your ride smooth and comfortable no matter where you are headed. Let's talk about the gear system. The Mammoth is equipped with the Shimano 7-gear system. It makes climbing hills or pushing on straight roads feel effortless. Switching gears, it's super simple. To shift from high gear to lower gear, pull this lever upwards. To shift back from lower gear to high gear, press this button. It's smooth, responsive, and built for all terrains. And if you are new to the gear system, don't worry, it's easy to master. Now let's talk about the safety. The brake system. The Lumala Mammoth hydraulic disc brakes are excellent. Whether you are in wet condition or need to make quick stop, they give you confident ride in any situation. Honestly, this is the one of those features that separate good from the great, and the Lumala gets it right here. Here's where the Mammoth gets interesting. Electric features. You have a digital display that's simple and clean. Turn it on with a long press. Adjust your speed levels and you are good to go. The throttle gives you instant acceleration. And the built-in headlight on and brake light means you are ready for the street day or night. It's practical, but most importantly, it's fun. Ride these things feel effortless. Now, Mammoth gives you 3 ways to ride. First one is fully mechanical. Use the pedals without any electric power. Perfect for workout or saving battery. Second one is fully electrical. Ride with just the throttle. A fully charged battery gives you a range to 50 to 70 kilometers. Third one is hybrid mode. Combine pedal assist with the throttle. Set the speed level to 2 for the best experience. In this mode, you can achieve range of 100 to 120 km on a full charge. And the best part, the motor cut off automatically when you brake, so there is no accidental acceleration when you are trying to stop. Let's talk about how to charge the battery. Charging the battery is simple. First, you have to pull the lever under the seat to lift it up. Then use the key to remove the battery. After that, connect the charger to this port and plug it in. Once charged, replace the battery and you are good to go. This is one of the most affordable way to get around. No fuel, no hassle, just plug and go. Why choose the Lumala Mammoth? Here's the breakdown. It uses only 0.6 electric unit for full charge, and you don't need license, insurance or registration. It can carry up to 200 kilograms, which is more than most electric mopeds in this category. It's designed and built by Lumala, the brand more than 50 years experience. Your safety is our priority. Before every ride, please check the quick release. And always check the battery level. You don't want to run out halfway through your ride. So that's a Lumala Mammoth electric moped. Affordable, eco-friendly and built for every adventure. At Lumala, we are not just building the bicycles. We are shaping future of sustainable transportation. And proudly made in Sri Lanka, loved around the world. If you want test ride, comment test ride on comment section. Until next, see you guys, safe ride.